Hello and welcome to MarineMax of Westbrook. My name is Fred Aberley, and today we're doing a walkthrough of a Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. This boat has a lot of unique properties that I love. One of the best things about it is its horsepower. It's pushed through the water gracefully with twin 225 horsepower Mercury Verado motors. These are dependable, fuel efficient, and low maintenance engines designed by Mercury with all of the newest and latest technological innovations within the outboard industry. As we look at the hull itself, the layout of this boat is really extraordinary in that the seating is large, easy to use, and extremely adaptable for many occasions. You can sit here with your back against the bulkhead, read a book, have a glass of wine, plenty of cocktail drink holders, stereo system. The boat also has a fishing package, which includes a live bait well underneath the back of this seat. It's great to get to, easy setup. There's also a table that comes into place here, along with a pull-out bench seat back here, so you can entertain your friends, your family. There are small children involved. Another advantage of this layout with this seat is that children can face thwartship and face you as you're driving the boat, or have their backs against this bulkhead, or gunnel, I should say. And then the adult can sit here at the end to keep them in place. It's a great boat. It has a lot of well thought out properties to it, including a large Yeti cooler to keep your drinks and food fresh and cold for days. Hard top, a lot of safety involved in this, very secure. As you can see, the build of Boston Whaler is overbuild. These are extremely strong boats. They're one piece. There's no shuddering. There's no shaking. The boat really handles well in a sea. The boat comes with a Raymarine VHF. The owner of this boat can add whatever type of electronics package they'd like, including radar added onto a GPS system. In terms of the amenities on the boat, there is a full-size head in here. So if you go cruising during the day and you go swimming off a sandbar, you can go in here and change. Put on your evening clothes and go ashore for dinner. The boat has 2 locations for a freshwater shower. She carries, I believe, around 24 gallons, 25 gallons of fresh water. As we move forward, the boat up forward has plenty of ample seating room and storage underneath these seats. Again, when you sit in this boat, you feel very safe because you are safe in the world's largest life jacket. Handrails are comfortably aligned with or ergonomically aligned. You also have more space up forward in here to stow gear, as well as a second table position. My name again is Fred Aberley. I'm with MarineMax of Westbrook, Connecticut, 860-399-5581. Please ask for any of our knowledgeable sales staff to assist you in looking at this boat. And thanks very much for watching.